Hey, it's Clayton. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol INSY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was just yesterday, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a very nice move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that's down here at $8.70. Why is $8.70 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has true power, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 870. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be the price going right back inside of that big old range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say there was a little bit more of a drastic pullback. However, in this situation, price does something like this and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, one final time, I am quantifying that phrase, make progress, as $8.70. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at right now, seems to be right up there around $9.30. So $9.30 near-term level of resistance. All in all, though, top priority, in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and building higher lows, because as long as higher lows are being built over time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, higher bases, and then just sit back and enjoy the overall trend and movement. But yeah, powerful move today. Let's see if the bulls can build on this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.